Good morning everyone, and this is my first video and I would like to wish a very happy new year to all my students. Okay, so today we will start with profit and loss. Alright, so in the chapter profit and loss I have taken this chapter from the book R.S. Agarwal of standard 7. Alright, so what is cost price? Cost price, the price at which an item is bought, and SP means selling price. So selling price is the price at which an item is sold. See, if I am having a pen and if I buy it at rupees 10, then the cost price of this pen is rupees 10, and if I sell it at 12 rupees, then the selling price of this pen is 12 rupees. Alright, so as we can see that the cost price is lower and the selling price is higher. So when the cost price will be lower than the selling price, then we will have a profit or a gain. So to calculate the profit, we have to subtract the selling price from the cost price, then we will get the profit. So as I told, my selling price was 12 and my cost price was 10, so I will get a profit of rupees 2, that is by subtracting 12 from 10. Alright, and similarly again I am taking the example of this pen. If I sell this pen at rupees 8, so I will be getting a loss of rupees 2, and how I am getting the loss? CP minus SP, that is 10 minus rupees 8, so I will get rupees 2 as my loss. Okay, now as I have got the cost price and selling price and profit or loss, whichever I have incurred in this transaction, so how can I calculate its percentage? To calculate the percentage, if there is a profit, we have to take the actual amount of the profit divided by the cost price and multiply it by 100%. Similarly, if I am occurring a loss, to calculate the loss percentage, we have to take the actual loss amount divided by the cost price and then multiply with 100%. Alright, so I think these are the two basic formulas which you have got cleared. Alright, if you have any doubt in these formulas, you can tell me in the comment section below. Now we will start with the exercise. Okay, now we are going to start with the exercise. As here it is given that the cost price of an article is rupees 950 and we are getting a gain of 6%. Okay, and we are told to calculate the selling price. So what will be the selling price? Selling price will be cost price plus gain. Alright, so I have substituted the values in its place. The cost price is 950 and our gain is 6%, and 6% of 950. Okay, now we will calculate the selling price. Alright, so rupees 950 plus, to remove the percentage sign we have to divide it by 100, and off, that means multiply 950. Alright, so 0 and 0 gets cancelled, 2 3 are 6 and 2 5 are 10 and 5 1 are 5, 5 19 are 95. Alright, so we have simplified the expression, and now we are left with 950 plus 3 into 90. Okay, so the selling price is rupees 950 plus 3 into 19, that is 57. So we will get the final answer as rupees 950 plus 57, that is 1007. Okay, as now we have completed the first sum. See, in the second sum we also can see that there also it is given as gain. So we will do the second sum as we have done the first sum. The process will be same, only the calculation will be different. So now we move on to the fourth sum, okay, which is having a loss. Alright, so now we will see how we can solve a sum which is having a loss percentage or a loss. Alright, so here it is given that the cost price is 8640 and it has incurred a loss of 12 1 by 2%. Alright, so as it is given in mixed fraction, I have already converted into improper fraction, which will be 25 by 2%. Okay, so as we know, the formula for calculating the selling price here is CP minus loss, and now here also I have substituted the values. Okay, so 8640 minus 25 by 2% of 8640. Okay, now we will calculate. So 8640 minus again 25 by 2, to remove the percentage sign, again we will divide it by 100 into 8640. Okay, so selling price equal to rupees 8640 minus 25 by 2 into 1 by 100 into 8640. Okay, so 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100. Okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6 and 2 twos are 4 and 0. Alright, now we will divide it by 4. 4 ones are 4 and here also 4 ones are 4, 0, then 4 eights are 32 and 0. Okay, so now we are left with 1080. Alright, so the selling price would be rupees 8640 minus 1080 and our final answer is rupees 7560. If you have any doubt, you can let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.